Hello, welcome to Yemizkitchen, where we cook authentic African dishes, African flavor with all American ingredients. Today we'll be cooking native jollof rice. Native jollof rice is just jollof rice cooked with palm oil. So what you'll be needing for the native jollof rice will be the start of the ingredient, which is the rice. I have 4 cups of rice here, and I already have my palm oil in my pot. It's a cooking spoon of palm oil which I've melted, and we're going to need some peppers and onions. This is what I'm using for my native jollof rice. I have the garlic, the red onions, the bell peppers, tomatoes. The pepper has been blended here. See, the consistency is chopped. I use my processor for that. And this is the paprika pepper, and that's what I'll be using for this cooking. Okay, my seasoning I'll be using I have a teaspoon of parsley, dry parsley, half a teaspoon of salt, thyme, a couple of bay leaves, 2 cubes of shrimp bouillon cubes, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, half a teaspoon of ginger, white pepper, so I have my iru, my crayfish that's grounded, my pepper, my scallion, my onions, and my meat of my choice, which is goat meat, bonga fish, and shrimps.
So we are going to be needing canola oil and palm oil. For the native soup, you can only use palm oil if you want to, but for me, I like mixing my canola oil and my palm oil. And you can see here that, I have finished frying the sauce, the native sauce. It looks like the ofada sauce, but I'm going to take some out, add some hot water, then the rice. I'm going to cover this pot with my foil so that I can steam together. 20 minutes after the rice is steamed, I have folded the rice. Now I'm going to reintroduce the sauce I took out in the beginning to make it richer. Oh, I forgot to put the grounded crayfish. Now you can see me putting the grounded crayfish in at the last moment, which is even better because it makes it tastier, since this is a native jollof rice. Voila, native jollof rice is done. Very easy to make. Just follow this full step. Okay, let's go to the table and let me serve the native jollof rice. My mouth is watering. We can't wait to eat this. So this is the final result of my native jollof rice. It is very colorful, delicious, and nutritious, and very, very palatable and yummy-licious. It came out really nice. You can eat this by itself. This is really a meal for us. It's a very nice delicacy that we share in Nigeria. I really hope you really enjoy watching this. Well, this is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and press the notification bell as usual. Thank you for watching the video. See you in my next video. Don't forget to choose to be happy. Happiness is a choice in Yemizkitchen. Love you. See you in my next episode. Press the notification bell so that you'll be notified. Mwah.